What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard, Diva, Crypto Babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back. I want to do a update review, if you will, on Exitus Elite. Haven't done a video for them in a while. This program is still kicking, guys. Okay. I looked at my back office and it shows I started in this platform 2016. That's right, 2016, and they're still going strong. Okay. So I wanted to do a quick update because they have a call center now. Okay, it's an 80-20 split. Okay, because some people don't want to have to worry about answering questions and that type of thing, so they do have that. It's 80-20 split. Now, if you want to go check this out, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info. Okay, and then that way you can see the whole presentation, because what you want to do is opt in, and then you want to watch this video. 4 minutes and 52 seconds. Watch this video, then watch this one. We close your sales presentation, okay, and then come down here and then watch this one. Get the full first compensation plan explained to you right here, 3 minutes. Okay, so go check it out. They are right here. They give you testimonials, and then they break down the products as well. So this page does a great job of explaining the whole program. Okay, so still kicking, still going. I think it's a great system to get started in. You can get started for as low as $100. Okay, and it pays up to $2,000. This is instant pay, proven online digital business. All right, so discover how you can participate and profit in the multi-billion-dollar online learning business. All right, so they have this right here is going to be changing. That's what they talked about on the Zoom. They've had two now, one last week, one this week. But the company talked about how they're going to do a facelift on their website and everything. This video here has been around for a while. I mean, it's been converted, but they're doing a facelift, so they're going to be changing that. All right. So, but great platform, great way to get instant commissions if you're new. Online affiliate marketing. When I tell you, this is a great way to earn online with digital products. All right. So Exitus Elite, future-proof tools and training for everyone. Robust solutions to help you learn, grow, build, and profit. So they give you all the tools that you need to be successful online. Okay. These are digital education courses. Teach you how to make money online. You get a membership here, one-time payment, no monthly fees, no yearly fees. Make your payment one time and you're good to go. You get access to your products instantly, guys. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can use a smartphone, laptop, or computer. Okay, and they have 5 products. So let's go over them real quick. 5 levels of membership. Basic level, G100. If you want to make $100 commissions, boom, here you go. 100 plus $49, you're in. You're going to send $100 to the person you sign up with and $49 to the company. All right, that's what I love about these programs with affiliate marketing. We're paid instantly. I don't have to wait for someone to cut a check, for the company to send me any money. I don't have a middleman here. When you go to the link and you click that buy now button, boom, goes right to your account. But you decide, because this is your business, okay, how you want to get paid. Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. You want to take credit cards, send the money straight to your bank account. It's up to you, okay? So that's what I love about affiliate marketing. So G100, then you have the G250, okay? You want to make $250 commissions. Now, if you come in at the G250, guess what? They're going to include the G100. So that's 2 levels of income you can make. So you'd spend the $250 plus $99. Okay, there. So they consider those the 2 starter levels. All right, so you, like it says, pay once and you got a lifetime membership. We teach you how to stair-step your way to the higher memberships where more opportunities can open up for you. So then we get into the more advanced levels here. And this is training, okay? This is the training you're going to be able to get. We want to go into the training. I just want to show you the levels on the payments. G500, that's $500 commissions. If you purchase that G500 training, it's $500 plus the $199, right? But guess what? You're going to get the lower levels as well. Okay, your G500, you're going to get the G250 and the 100. So this is your advanced levels. And the next one up is the G1000. You're able to actually earn $1,000 commissions when you sell the G1000 training. Okay, so the 1,000 plus $299. All right, so if you get the G1000, you're going to get automatically the G500, the G250, and the G100. Okay, and you're able to earn on all those levels. The top cream of the crop is the G2000. It'll be $2,000 plus $399, and then you're all in. You're able to earn on all the levels. Now, what's so great about this particular program is I like that if someone is at the lower level, they come here and they say, well, you know, I just don't have, I've got 150, I can get started. But what happens if I sell a G250 product? Do I lose the wholesale? No, you still will make that $100 and the rest will pass up to your sponsor or whoever's qualified next in line. Okay? So you're going to always earn what you invested. If you invested 100, you're going to make 100. If you invest G250, that's the max you can make. So if you come in at G250 and you sell a G500, you'll make 250 and the other 250 will pass up and so forth for each level. Okay? So it's a great platform. I love instant pay. There's nothing like you out doing life, doing you, and all of a sudden your phone pings and dings and says, you just made $500. You just made $1,000 while you're out living life. Of course, you got to do the marketing, right? We show you how to do that. Me personally, I like to do paid advertising, and then I like to do social media as well, okay? And that's how I do it. I don't go out and chase people. I don't do any of that. I'd like to do what we call attraction marketing. I'm going to market to the people that's interested in what I have to offer, and I'll show you how to do that as well. Got some great traffic resources, marketing resources I can share with you, okay? So those are the product levels. So let's take a look at the training. Let's check it out. Okay, the training is Genesis Education Library. So you're going to have a library of training that you can access, guys. Doesn't matter where you are in the world. Like I said, as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection, this is the library. You'll be able to log into your back office. That's the other thing. This company doesn't allow you to share your earnings in the back office, okay, which is probably good because I know that can entice people, so that's a no-no for them. Okay, so we won't be showing that, but we can show you like I'll show you one of the emails I received of commissions. All right, but here's the library, and you'll have access to that in your back office. Whatever you pay for, it'll be unlocked. So the online money generating education program, how cool is it to be able to get education on how to make money online, then turn around and sell the same training that you're learning from, and you earn an income. So you're learning and earning at the same time. So what are they saying? What best describes you? I'm looking to start a business, or I'm looking to boost my online business. So it's going to help you. It's a win-win in both scenarios. So just like I showed you a second ago, G100, right? I showed you that. But here's the products that you're going to get access to. This is considered the entry-level package. There's 8 courses to help you with your marketing, to perfect your marketing, how to get started. So here's all the courses. Again, digital video tutorials, guys, okay? So this is where you can learn at your own pace. You can pause it, go back, rewind, take as much time as you need. Now, mind you, you don't want to spend time just reading and learning over this. We want to get your system up and running. We want to go ahead and do some paid advertising or some type of marketing while you're learning, okay? And I'll speak with you about that because I like to have a one-on-one chat after you get started so we can come up with your marketing plan. So anyway, here's the training courses, okay? This is a good one here, this 10K blueprint. It's a lot of good training here. Big ticket machine. I mean, on and on. I'm not going to read over all these, but I want you to see what's available here. Cryptocurrency secrets. How about that? Get the library plus the resale rights, so you're able to resell these products. All right. So we talked about that. $149 to get that one. And then they have a little animated thing here. The why. Have you ever wanted to step away from the 9-to-5 grind of your job? All right. So pretty cool. Nice website. But again, they're going to be revamping it. So I can't wait to see what everything is going to look like. So next one is the G250. With the 250, what are you getting? 10 different courses. Okay, that's going to teach you again how to make money online. Now remember, if you get the G250, you get the 100 too. Okay, so evergreen lead business. I mean, there's a lot of good courses here, guys. All right, so that's that one. Let's go to the next one. G500, the third package, is the beginning of the advanced levels. G500. All right. Video tutorials. Learn at your own pace. Okay, so you're able to learn and earn. Check this one out. Bitcoin profit secrets. Whether you heard of Bitcoin years ago but didn't take advantage, just heard of it today. Anyone can profit from Bitcoin. Absolutely. All right, guys. So that's that one. You see all the courses here. Let's keep going. Next one is the G1000, the Legends Millionaire Mentors. This incredible series interviews 20 of the top marketers in the internet today. So 20 hours of inspirational learning here. Okay, guys? So definitely get plugged in. All right, The Village. This is the audio series behind many of the highest money earning producers in the business world today. All right, and here we go. They keep throwing, you see this different levels has Bitcoin in. Here's another one, Bitcoin Breakthrough. All right, so this is touching on a little bit of everything. Artificial intelligence, you see that a lot. AI technology, okay, the power of social media. These are the things that's trending, okay? So, all right, let's keep going. Video on demand, the complete business guide. And the cream of the crop, the G2000 premium package. We're featuring a further 32 video on demand courses. As new content is released, we will introduce it to you. G2000 level. That's all in. If you go here, you get everything. All right, guys. So that's just a breakdown of what you get with Exitus Elite. Like I said, not to mention you're earning and learning, and you're getting paid instantly any way you want to get paid. Just to show you, I'm not going to show the person's name right here. I typed it up here though. Cash App. Okay, this was a $500 payment I received via Cash App, guys. So any way you want to get paid, and the person specified, they're telling me it's for Exitus Elite product package. Okay, guys. So this is a great way to earn instant commissions. Okay, if you want to get paid instantly. Let me tell you, affiliate marketing, I've used several of these products to earn commissions so that I can get into other projects. Okay, so as you guys know that's following me, I'm in the crypto space now. You know, I've used several of these commissions. That's how I started over there in the crypto space. Not money out of my pocket, but out of profits. Okay, you can do the same. And yours may not be crypto that you want to get in. It could be any project that you're trying to do, right? Whether it's offline, okay, something you're trying to save for. Say, hey, I'm going to learn this internet marketing thing, and then I'm going to use those profits, okay, to go after whatever it is you're trying to get into. Okay, you know, we've got people that's doing projects on their home, okay, remodeling, whatever the case may be. But this is a great way, we call it a side hustle, to make money online simply using a smart device. All right, guys, so check this out. Link is in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. For all my folks that's going to come in at that $500 level or above, let's see, pull this one back up. If you come in at the G500, 1,000 or 2,000, I will send your first traffic campaign for you. Basically, you're not going to have to pay for your first paid advertising. And of course, doesn't matter which level you come in, I'm going to share with you guys my resources, and how you can actually tap into people that's interested in making money online without bugging friends and family and chasing people on social media, messaging them in their inbox, and doing all the things that aggravate people at times. Okay, so we do attraction marketing, but I'll be happy to show you that. So get in G500, G1000, or G2000. I'll take care of that first advertising for you. All right, guys. With that being said, the link is in the description. Go check it out. Like the video, please, and thank you. Be safe out there. Don't forget to smash it, and click that subscribe button for me and that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, see you guys on the next video. Have a blessed day.